Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So the Sony A7IV is packed full of features, and there's so many features here that, well, you might not even know existed. So this is the case today where I discovered a soft skin feature. So if you're not familiar with what that is, just think about your smartphones and the beauty mode, which softens your skin artificially. And so this is going to be the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this looks like using the Sony A7IV. Okay, so before we see how this effect looks like, we actually have to turn it on first. And this one is definitely not an easy setting to find. So we'll go to menu. And then what you're going to do is go down here to exposure and color. And then you're going to go down here to color and tone. And from here, you'll see the soft skin effect. So as you can probably tell, this is definitely a hidden feature. And you probably only find this if you accidentally run into this or if you watch a video like this. Once you're here, you go to soft skin effect. The default is off. But once you go into the settings, you can move down. And here you have three different settings: low, medium, and high. And once you choose any of these settings, you'll say OK. And now the soft skin effect is on. So here is the video without any of the soft skin mode. So then you can kind of see how things look like normally. So I'm going to get closer to the camera so you can kind of see how my face looks like. And now let's go ahead and check out the soft skin settings. Okay, so here it is on low setting. So I don't know if you could tell the difference. And what I try to do is I'll also do some zoom ins as well to see if you could tell the difference. But at least right now, I'm just looking at the view screen. There's really not a significant amount of difference. But I guess it also depends on your facial features and how many wrinkles that you have as well. So now that we're seeing the low mode, let's go ahead and try this in medium. All right, so now we're in the soft skin medium mode. And hopefully you can tell some difference. And I'll probably be able to get a better idea once I bring it to my computer. But at least looking at the view screen right here, I can't tell the difference. Things look softer. And so let's go ahead and try it out on the maximum high setting. So now we're in the high settings, and I could definitely tell the difference just by looking at the view screen. So in this case, if you actually want to de-age yourself on video, then this is probably the way to go. But the only drawback is it's going to look really weird. You're going to look really smooth and basically rubbery. So if you're okay with that, then the high setting is for you. And so that is the soft skin setting on the Sony A7IV. And very similar to the beauty mode on your phone, it does have its uses, but it also has its drawbacks as well. So if you actually want to take a few years off of your face and have a much smoother and rubbery skin, then the Sony A7IV has it. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my camera tutorials, tips, and reviews, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Protect your online privacy and keep data brokers from selling your personal information by using Delete Me, the #1 privacy information remover service since 2010. Sign up today and get 20% off your first order. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.